Hello, engineers. In one of the earlier videos, I have mentioned points we have to take care to have an impactful training on engineering topics. Today, I am going to discuss the methods by which we can conduct engineering applications training online. Today, we will be discussing some of the methods we can adapt to conduct online training on engineering topics. Hi, my name is Pradeep Kumar KP. I am an engineering coach. I help engineers to conduct online training on their expertise. My gratitude for those people who is regularly watching my videos on engineering topics, especially I am focusing for engineers growth. Please make sure that you keep a pen and paper with you and make notes each and every time you watch a video and take actions on it. So today we are discussing about the methods that we can adopt to conduct online training on engineering topics. So one of the method is interactive learning platforms, that you can use interactive learning platforms such as discussion forums, chat rooms, and video conferencing to provide more engaging and interactive learning experience to your learners or students. This helps students to connect with each other and with the instructor and ask questions and receive feedback. So one of the method is to use the interactive learning platforms. The second one is self-paced learning, because the advantage of online training is that we can learn it in our own time. So also, if you are providing pace time limit that they can learn on their own pace, then that also will be very advantageous. So provide self-paced learning modules that allow students to learn at their own pace. This helps to accommodate different learning styles and schedules and reduces the pressure on students to complete the training within a specified framework. This flexibility also help the students to learn on their own pace. Then third one is gamifications. We can incorporate gamifications elements into the training, such as quizzes, badges, leaderboards, to make the training more engaging and motivating, because nowadays people like games. So if you make our training also in a gamification mode, then it is going to be very impactful. Then fourth one is hands-on training. In every training, whether online or offline trainings, providing hands-on training is very important aspect. And by providing hands-on training through, if it's online, we can do it through virtual labs, simulators, or remote access to hardware to allow students to gain practical experience with the engineering application being taught. So the lot of advancement is coming on this method, how it online will make it equivalent to the offline training through virtual world or virtual reality or through metaverse is getting developed, and a lot of advancement is coming on this way. So the fifth one is that personalized learning. So the method is that for providing personalized learning experience by tailoring the content and the pace of the training to the individual needs and preference of each student. So this is also very important in this online training of engineering applications. Then collaborative learning. The other method is collaborative learning. We have to encourage collaborative learnings through group projects and team-based assignments or peer-to-peer learning activities to promote teamwork and knowledge sharing. So collaborative learning also is the other method that we can adopt in online training of engineering application. Then multimedia content. So use a multimedia content such as videos, animation, interactive graphics to make the training more visually appealing and engaging and more understandable, and to help explain complex concept. This is very useful to explaining the complex concept, making it in a simple multimedia format videos. And other method is we have to give the assessments. That is, method is assessments, and use assessments such as quizzes, assignments, and exam to evaluate and understand and provide feedback. Students gives feedback to students on their progress. So assessment is as a method. Then ninth is feedback and support. So We have to give regular feedback to support to students through email, chat, or discussions forums to help them stay motivated and engaged throughout the training. So the feedback and support is very important method on giving an impactful training for students online. And the 10th point is that real world examples. We have to use real world examples and case studies to demonstrate how the engineering applications can be applied in practical situations to help students to understand how the application can be used in the real life scenario. So this is various methods that we can adopt to conduct online training on engineering applications. Hope that this video is useful to you. Please give your comments. Also subscribe this channel to get more information related to engineers growth. Thank you very much.